Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we click on ChatGPT and we will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You search about the application of ChatGPT and we click here. If you find updating this blue sign, then you will update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.